The planet comet Nibiru carries behind it two twin tails on its journey through the galaxy. These tails are made up of all kinds of space debris captured by the powerful gravitational field of the planet Nibiru, traveling together through space for millions of years. During its journey, the planet Nibiru continues to trap more space debris that is drawn towards it. The tails are made up of gases, ice, dust, debris, and moons, in the vast elliptical curvature that Nibiru traverses as it moves through the twilight of space. Almost nothing can affect Nibiru's twin tails. But these conditions are different when the planet Nibiru enters our inner solar system, because the solar wind expels its powerful radiation, causing Nibiru's twin tails to point away from the sun. This then causes the tails to invade the Earth with dust, gases, stones, and large rocks. Nibiru's 12 moons will stay away from Earth during the passage of the planet Nibiru. A monstrous onslaught of the elements of the twin tails of Nibiru will be caused on the Earth's atmosphere, which will cause oxygen in many places to be totally consumed. The petrochemical elements of the tails will be set on fire when entering the atmosphere due to friction, taking the form of a carpet of fire that falls on the Earth, which will burn all living things in its path. The gases and dust at this moment are already floating through space, in a twisted way towards the Earth and, in fact, the effects can already be appreciated by a fine red iron oxide dust that is turning the sunsets with a red color. The next element that could be observed will be a fine gravel that will fall on Earth as a hailstorm. Most of this gravel will manage to burn up in the atmosphere, but much of it will make it past Earth's atmospheric defenses. At the beginning of the final work, the upper fraction of the atmosphere will be shattered and thrown into space. Next, gigantic amounts of rock will be hurled at the Earth, meeting almost no resistance, falling catastrophically on the defenseless Earth. Those who wish to protect themselves from the lethal aggression of Nibiru's twin tails are advised to seek shelter in caves of natural origin, since these have most likely already managed to withstand the previous passages of Nibiru. The passage of the tails is very fast, a matter of a couple of days, and their effects wear off quickly. The best protection you can find is to take refuge underground, away from the effects of Nibiru's dark twin tails. Fortunately, most of these meteorites and debris do not fall vertically, but instead describe an angle, causing them to shatter or burn up as they enter the atmosphere. For a couple of years, meteorites have been reported falling in places like Russia, Brazil, and many other places in the world. Unfortunately, this meteorite fall will continue to increase more rapidly, and in the same way, the seismic activity will increase as we get closer to the date of the event. Even today, we have reached a point where the constant falling of meteors has become a daily affair, just as it is with the weather abnormality. The situation has become so constant that many news outlets have already stopped reporting meteorites falling to Earth, as well as other important indicators, because they have already been ordered to censor this type of news. All the elements that make up the dancing tails of Nibiru are twisting like an undulating whirlwind towards the Earth, bringing with them a direct onslaught that will come from all directions, acting like a whip that will totally encircle the Earth.